Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Here is Vivo Y16 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can do color adjustment in your phone Vivo Y16. First go to the settings of your phone here and go to display and brightness. Go to display and brightness here and click on color temperature adjustment. Okay, click here and this is the default color temperature. Okay, this pointer is default, and if you want to change color temperature you can increase if you go to the right side. Okay, see here, if you decrease, color temperature will be reduced to. Okay, this is cool and this is very warm. Okay, in this way you can easily set any color temperature for your phone. Okay, if you want to use the default color temperature, then click on default and it will set to middle. I show I have set this one and I show color temperature. See here, color temperature is completely changed for my screen. Okay, again I go to the same settings and go to color temperature adjustment and I set on default. Okay, this is default color temperature, so it's set to original one. In this way you can easily control color temperature adjustment. Color temperature you can just control color temperature of a phone Vivo Y16. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.